Another staircase project, and this time it's a big guy. So I've already documented the initial steps of transforming the staircase, which is stripping and then scrubbing and sanding. So after doing all that, this is how it looks. I'm also panning to our stairs because we are also going to be transforming them. So without further ado, we are starting to prime the staircase railings. And I've already said it multiple times in my other videos of why we are painting it instead of staining or doing something else. So please check that out. So here we have reached almost halfway through. So while my husband is doing the staircase railing, I am also covering or priming the stairs here, so that, divide and conquer. So we are almost done priming the first flight of stairs, and after completing it, this is how it's looking. Now fast forward the priming and let's start painting. So here we are painting it again with the black color, the same color we did our staircase railing for the living room. So this is what we think. We think that throughout the house, if we maintain a consistency, like if you have 3 stairs in your house and they are the same color and same pattern, that will make the house look more welcoming and decent. That being said, that's just our opinion, and you don't have to agree with it. Anyways, focusing on the painting, this part of the painting where we had to paint in between the balusters was really tricky and very time consuming. The reason being, first is the black color, and taking it off from the white balusters is going to be a pain, and second is I don't use tape. So I painted it without using tape in the balusters. So this is how it's looking after we painted the first staircase, and here we are deciding if we want to keep it like this or we want to go full black. Um, so here we are kind of scared and nervous, as you can see in here. But we decided we are going to go with full black after doing all that mehnat painting that white baluster. But anyways, this was also the reason why you see in the living room staircase we did it full black, because like I said, we want to maintain a consistency throughout the house. This decision was helpful in a way that we can speed up our painting process, because now we cannot go back to white, but we don't have to put too much time and effort in painting the balusters. And this is the final result. Okay, so staircase railing paint गर्न त सक्यो. Now it's time for the stairs. So first of all, we clean the stairs. अनि त्यसपछि we start painting. So हामीले यसो सोच्यौँ, like हामी पेन्ट त गर्ने बेडरुम अपस्टेयर्स छ, कसरी सुत्न जाने त भनेर सोच्यौँ. Then we applied some ninja technique and we painted the alternate stairs. So we had to climb 2 stairs at one time. First alternate stairs paint गरिसकेपछि the next day we did the other remaining stairs. So at this part, I just remembered कि मैले चाहिँ पुरै process चाहिँ film नै नगरेको रहेछु. So here are the steps. So first of all, prime गरेको stairs लाई I sanded and felt it with my hand to make sure that it's smooth. अनि त्यसपछि I vacuumed it अनि felt it one more time to make sure it's clean. त्यसपछि I tape. I really hate taping, तर यो stairs लाई चाहिँ मैले गर्नु पर्यो because मेरो husbandले छुटाउनु भयो रहेछ. अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ I painted all the remaining stairs. Paint गर्दा गर्दा राति नै भयो. But anyways, here is the completed look and I'm extremely satisfied. Whoever comes to our house, सबैले चाहिँ फोटो खिचेर जानुहुन्छ. Thank you everyone who followed throughout the journey and for your suggestions. And केही question छ भने please comment गर्नु होला.